Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Shout out to subscribers, everybody out there. All right, 5:45 in the morning. I had people 5:45 in the morning. I wasn't feeling good the other day. Went to sleep early, so woke up at like 2 a.m. or something like that, and I've been up since. All right, so I be grinding, people. I be grinding. All right, so this gonna be the best site right here that I use to watch videos. All right, the best sites that I use to watch videos and ads. All right, people. So every single day, what I do on my channel is teach you guys how to make money 100% free. Take that money, invest in whatever you're trying to do. A startup. If you got debt you got to pay off, if you got to stop overdrafting, if you need to start building a savings account, whatever you need to do, all right? Because this money is 100% free. All I have is cashback apps, survey apps, video apps, at watching ads, so many different things you can do to get money online. I'm gonna have a different chapter coming up as far as having videos as far as paid content, like paid ways to make money online. So watch out for that. Look out for that. That's going to be a higher level as far as making more money and different opportunities and things like that. All right. So the #1 goal is freedom. All right. #1 goal is freedom. All right. So we're trying to make it to a different place. All right. Try to make it to a different place. 2020. Do not be lazy. This is why I'm here. Anytime you think you're off track, go to my channel, watch a video. I'm here. All right. I'm here doing this. I'm not off track. 2020. Make sure you still putting in that same work that you was doing in January 2nd. All right. When you was all New Year's resolution and all that stuff. Continue. All right. Continue. Do not fall off. This is the time where everybody starts falling off. All right. So I'm going to InstaGC right here. All right. So like I said, right here, you can see 1,052 points. All right. So that's about $10.52. All right. So I'm going to make a $10 cash out off of this right here. And, let me go claim my bonuses. Let me open in a new tab so I won't mess up the video going on. And usually you can't, see how I got to mute it right here? Make sure you do not mute it because it will cut off on you. So make sure you do not mute it. It has to be on. It has to be playing for your screen. Like I said, watch my other tutorials. I give you in-depth details. This is going to be best videos and ads. And I'm going to also show you the best places to go to bang out some surveys, bang out some offers. All right. And to watch some more ads. All right. So on this one right here, I'm gonna claim these points right here. Now these points I get is for my weekly bonuses. All right, just watching videos. All right, so let me claim these. Every time you claim it, you just look right here. It's gonna go up. So I'm gonna claim my bonuses right here. All right, so I'm at $10.62 now. And like I said, people, like I know we're not getting rich off these sites, but if you put them together on an every single day basis and you do not stop on an every single day basis, you're going to create a stream of income. You just created a stream of income. You see what I'm saying? While you're at home, while you're out and about, while you're on your spare time, whenever you want, like you created a side income. All right. So definitely, stay with it and definitely be proactive about that. All right. $10.62 here. Let me, I could go back here. Okay, update it here so I could X this screen out right here. All right, so show you guys how to cash out here. You're gonna go to redeem. Let me give you guys a tutorial first. I'll just cash it out at the end. And I'll show you that. So if you never cashed out, you can see how I cash out. Only thing with InstaGC is you have to earn $50 for your first cash out. All right, so it could be a $50 gift card, $50, whatever, but it has to be 50. It has to be basically 5,000 points right here. All right, see how this is $10.62? So you need 5,000 points. All right, so you need 5,000 points for your first cash out. This is why I tell you, right? Everybody's like, oh, it takes too long to get $50. It's free money. You're gonna get $50 free. So I don't understand what you like. What's the, you know what I'm saying? So make sure that you implement this. All right, use this. Even if you just watch videos every day and just let it build up to get to $50. That's what I did when I first used it. I was banging everything out. But once I started banging everything out, once I started doing other different things, different sites and different startups and different things that I have going on the side, I just play videos on here and just let it build up. Whenever it gets to $10, I cash out. Whenever it gets to $20, I cash out. All right, but it's your first time, so you're gonna have to go to $50. So get the $50, then cash out. right? Then it's gonna allow you to cash out. Once you get the $50 you can cash out, you can cash out up to $1. So after you cash out the 50, let's say you cash out the $50, and the next day you go on and you just get up to $5, cash out $5. You can just cash out $1, $5. You can do custom PayPal right here. All right, so it's up to you. If you don't want to do that, then you could do gift cards. All right, so let's go to this is going to be the tutorial right here. All right, the tutorial right here. The first thing you're going to want to do is always go to watch videos. Right, always going to go to watch videos. All right, the number one way. All right, when you click watch videos, it's going to take you to this screen right here. You're gonna hit play video, and it's gonna bring you out here, and it's gonna stay like this. It's gonna play. All right, so always have this playing at all times. All right, now once you do that, you could always do this. You could duplicate your screen, come here. Now you don't want to duplicate your screen and watch videos. Do not do that. They will ban you for that. So don't do that. Do not open multiple windows playing videos. Don't do that. They will ban you. All right. So come here and go to recommended. Now you can also earn money by searching the web right here. When you search the web, so you can come here. So you could come here. You could launch seek.gg. I think it's gonna be it might give you an extension that you might have to install. All right, so it can keep track of what you're searching when you do search. But once you search, I think what you search, you start getting points for searching. You get points. Right here it says search the web for a chance to win points once per hour. All right, I don't like how it says for a chance to win. I don't like that. But points and frequency are subject to change. Searching is only compatible with Chrome browser at this time. All right, so try that out. See if it works out well. If it does, use it up. All right, beat it up. Use it up. I'm gonna go to so yeah, I'm going to recommended. Always go to recommended. All right, now here's all your offers, your different offer companies right here. All right, so a great one to go to is wall ads. Wall ads, you can watch videos. All right, so wall ads, you can watch videos right here. Hypermix, you can watch videos here too. And where's the other one? Channel Watcher. All right, so go to these different these three: wall ads, Hypermix, and Channel Watcher, and get into it and start like understanding how each and every category works. All right, so basically when you go into it, click into it, follow the directions, read what it tells you to do, and follow it and do it, and see which one earns more. I don't know which one earns more. All right, sometimes I just go in here because sometimes this is why the reason why I do these three is because once this is finished, once this doesn't play no video, sometimes they have no more videos to play. Once they have no more videos to play, I'll come here and I'll go to a different Channel Watcher, Hypermix, or wall ads, and I'll watch videos. All right. Now it's different things you could do. It's apps right here that you could download. All right. These are, you go here, you download these apps. They give you points for downloading your apps. Clicks, they give you points for clicking. So if you go here, you click. They tell you to click on this site. Stay on the site for 20 seconds or stay on the site for 2 minutes. Click this, stay on here for 5 minutes, click this, click through here, read this, click that. So it's basically just all clicking. Shopping, you can get paid for shopping. You come here and you come here, and once you start purchasing off of here, then you're gonna be able to start making money. They're gonna track what you buy, and they give you certain points for it. Depends on what you buy. They give you certain points. All right, but receive points by going shopping. All right, use shared shopping area to get rewarded from your family and friends' purchases. All right, so you could do that too. You could also partner with your friends, and they could use, like, you know what I'm saying, you could use the same what you're purchasing. Whatever you purchase, you could use it, and then you can get points. You could get points towards it. All right, but you just go here, go to shared shopping, click it, follow the directions. All right, I didn't use it, so I don't know. All right, I'm just telling you guys what's here. All right, only thing I've used right here is let me go back to the beginning. Is right here that I told you so far. Hypermix, Channel Watcher, and where's the other one? Wall ads. All right, to watch ads and get more videos. All right, so that's how you do your videos. Right, now you can always go here to videos. Right, but the thing is, some of these don't work. So I just gave you guys the ones that work for me. That's all I'm doing. All right, so it depends on your demographics. Maybe Offer Toro works better. Maybe Hideout TV works better. But I see that Channel Watcher, Hypermix, and InstaGC work the best. All right, now when you go to surveys, I'm gonna tell you where to go for the best survey, so you don't have to skip around and always wonder what's what. All right, Always bang out your surveys first. The reason why I say your surveys first is because they're the highest paying surveys, all right? They're usually 80 cents, all right? So it all depends. It might fluctuate, especially depending on your demographics or where you're at, but usually it's always 80 cents or more, all right? So always do your surveys first. Do all of them as much as you can until they tell you we ran out of surveys. Once they do that, then you go to Samplicious. You do the same thing. All right? Once you do that, you could go to Opinion Network is good too. And Tap Research. Tap Research, I used to always, they call it Tap Research because all you're really doing, actually a lot of questions, but you're tapping through them so quickly. Like, yes, no, what do you like, plastic or glass? Which color you like better, red or blue? Which bottle looks better to you, this A or B? So they just ask you and you just keep clicking. You just keep tapping, all right? So these are the ones that I have used, all right? Now, I use InstaGC, Samplicious, Your Surveys, Opinion Network, Tap Research. Now, just because I'm telling you this doesn't mean that Scent or Innovative MR or Say So or Polefish or Theorem Reach not good. All right. So all I'm saying is go to these first. If they're not working out for you, you're not banging them out, or you're not getting a lot of offers, then try different offers. All right. Different offer companies to see which one works best for you. Once you see one that works best for you, just keep milking it. Just keep milking it. And once you get used to it, you're going to be faster. When you first start off, you're going to be so slow. All right. As far as doing the surveys, making the money, you're gonna go, oh, this is not worth it. You're gonna get faster. This is like you're just getting used to it. So once you get really used to it and you start banging it out, that's when you start getting used to everything. You're gonna start banging it out. That's when the money is gonna start coming in faster and easier. All right. Another thing to do is when you put in your profile, as far as your household income, always put just 100 grand and up. Just put that you know what I'm saying? If you make more than 50,000, put that you make more than 50,000. If you make less than 50,000, just still put you make 50,000, because you always want to show that the survey providers, you always want to show them that you have money to spend money, so that they'll be like, oh, okay, so this person goes shopping and they buy stuff because they have money. But if you only like, you only make $15,000 a year, they're going to be like, whoa. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this person doesn't really know about too many products. It's like, how much stuff can this person really buy if they got bills and they got to take care of their family and do? See what I'm saying? So always put you make 50,000, your spouse makes 50,000. That way it's over 100,000. All right. Always put that in. That's what I've done. All right. I'm only telling you what I've done. I don't know if it works better in different ways, but this is what I've done. All right. So now when you're gonna go here for your surveys. All right. To bang those out. So always have your videos playing and banging your surveys out while your videos is playing on your next window. Okay, so always have this playing right here while you're banging out your. Just remember, put your volume up and just bang out your surveys. All right, survey tips. All right, you got to get used to doing surveys so you can be faster. You're gonna be faster at reading. You're gonna be faster at clicking. You're gonna be faster at the questions they're asking you. This is a robot. Like, the computer's a robot. The servers you're getting are robots. Like, it's already pre-made up already. It's not like somebody just made it up. It's already pre-made up. So if you do what you need to do in the survey, you should be fine. Only time you're not going to really get points for your survey if you complete it is if you completed it. Like, say they have 10,000 survey openings, and then somebody else completed it right before you, then you might get kicked out, or you might not get credit for that survey. So don't be upset like, oh man, this is, you know what I'm saying? Don't get upset. Don't get frustrated. Just keep going. Keep going. Just know that it's free money. Know that you're doing it on your spare time. All right. And know that once you make this income, you're going to have a good use for it. All right. You're not going to just buy candy and chips and soda. Right. Right. You're going to use the money for something. All right. And it's about every single day. So if you make $5 every day, it adds up. You make $10 every day, it adds up. Trust me. Like, I've been there. Like, I know what I'm talking about. I've made $1 a day. All right. My first year of doing surveys and stuff like that, $1, $2 a day, $3 a day. Cause I don't really, you know what I'm saying? I didn't really know like what's going on. So, but yeah, that's still about $1,000. $3 a day is almost $1,000 a year. So still money coming in. So you have to understand it's all about what you do with the money. All right, it's all about what you do with the money. Invest in yourself. Make sure you read and make sure you're doing what you gotta do out there. All right. Let me jump to this cash out real quick. For your cash out, you're gonna go to redeem. You're gonna go to other rewards. You could go to a gift card store if you want gift cards, but I'm gonna go to other rewards. All right. Now, when you go to other rewards, on my first page, it shows my $50 payment on my first $50. But look, $5.66, $18, $4, $3.75. Like, nothing crazy, people. Nothing crazy. All right. So just remember, just continue being aggressive. Continue doing your thing. on an every single day basis. All right, on an every single day basis. All right, this is my first monthly cash out. I'm gonna cash out the whole thing. I'm gonna cash out the whole